Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a gallery block on Squarespace. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Pages panel and select the page you want to edit. Gallery blocks can be added to blog posts, individual events, or product descriptions on Squarespace. Once you've selected your page, click Edit in the top left corner. The page will enter editing mode. Now, hover over the section where you want to add the block. When you hover over a valid section, you'll see an Add Block button appear in the top left corner. If you don't see that button, look for insert points. Those are the predefined spots within your content where you can add blocks. Click Add Block in the top left corner, or click one of the insert points. A menu will pop up showing all the available block types with a search bar at the top. In the menu, click Gallery. You can scroll through to find it under the image-related blocks or just type Gallery into the search bar. Once you select it, the new block will appear on the page with placeholder content. Now click the gallery block you just added, then click the pencil icon that appears above it. This opens the gallery block editor. You'll see two tabs at the top, Content and Design. In the Content tab, you can drag multiple images into the uploader area or click the uploader to browse your files. The images will upload and save automatically. You can add up to 250 images per gallery block. If you want to reuse images already on your site, click the plus icon in the bottom right corner, then click Search Images. That opens your library. The same process works for adding stock images. Click the plus, then Search Images. Once your images are uploaded, you can switch to the Design tab to choose your layout. Squarespace offers grid, slideshow, carousel, and stack layouts. Pick whichever fits your page best. Each layout has its own customization options in the Design tab. When you're done, press Enter or click outside the editor to close it. Your gallery block will appear on the page with your uploaded images in the layout you chose. A few tips: gallery blocks don't sort images automatically, but you can reorder them manually by opening the editor and dragging images into place. To move multiple images at once, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac. Click each image you want to move, then drag them together. You can also add titles and descriptions to images by hovering over one and clicking the gear icon. The titles double as alt text, which helps with search engine optimization and accessibility. And that's how to add a gallery block on Squarespace. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.